Grace, are you eating your oatmeal all by yourself this morning? Wow, big boy. Is it yummy? Is it yummy? You're doing a good job. It's a little messy, but that's okay. Mama's proud of you. Good job. Good bite. He said yum yum. Yum yum. Yay! Say bye. Bye-bye. Gonna eat my oatmeal now.